Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is the answer explanation for the test yourself question number 2. The question was, at a pH of 7, what is the charge on a glutamic acid molecule? The correct answer was option D, -1. Now let's explore why this is the correct answer. Glutamic acid is classified as an acidic amino acid. This is due to the presence of an extra carboxyl group in its structure. This carboxyl group is a part of the side chain. At a pH of 7, that is, at a neutral pH, both carboxyl groups in the glutamic acid lose protons. That is, they are deprotonated. Therefore, they become negatively charged. The amino group in the glutamic acid retains its proton. That is, it remains protonated at a pH of 7. This results in a positive charge. Considering the charges from the deprotonated carboxyl groups and the protonated amino acid, the net charge of the glutamic acid at pH 7 is -1. You basically add -1, -1, +1, which leads to -1. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe and make sure to follow us on our Test Yourself YouTube short series. See you in the next video. Bye!